Hi, I'm Jennie. Today, I will make Gochujang Jjigae. This Gochujang Jjigae, actually this is few days ago, I make this jjigae for my friends. I invite two of my friends to my house and at that time, I cook this Gochujang Jjigae. This one is really good with rice and with your wine. So, now let's start. I will make first the soup for this jjigae. So, as you know, this one inside there's a dried anchovy, dried shrimp, and some seaweed. So, first boil. And then, in this pan, I will cook this pork. So, this one is for the ingredients for gochujang jjigae. So some pork and potato, and this one is mushroom. This one king oyster mushroom, and also this onion, zucchini, little spring onions, and this one is hot chili and the red chili. Okay, this is the all seasonings. First, I will cut all ingredients for proper size. The first, this one, the pork. Cut, and in a bowl, you put this pork. And here, you put some minced garlic. And some pepper. And little bit of 1 spoon of soy sauce. And then you mix it. Afterward, I will fry it. This pork first. So before fry, I put some seasonings to taste good. So, and put aside. And then, first cut the potatoes. Maybe this is size enough. And some onion. Okay, put here. Some onions and zucchini. Same size of a potato. And this king oyster mushroom. Cut here. This is enough. And this chili. The dried anchovy and dried shrimp, and there's now is boiling. So little bit lower the heat, and this red pepper, red chili, okay, and this spring onion, okay, this part. Okay. Now it's ready. Okay. And poured some cooking oil. Some cooking oil. And we put this seasoned pork. Maybe this jjigae, every Korean housewife knows how to cook it. And also, they have their special way to cook. It's very easy to cook. Okay. And a little bit lower the heat. And here, first you put this potato because potato is it needs time to cook. So first put the potato. Yes. And also fry some more minutes. Then here put some zucchini, onion all together. And now this time you put this soup. Do you remember this soup? Maybe. Pour some this soup here. Now we need to put some more seasonings here. First, this chili pepper paste. Maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons. And stir it. Okay. And then you put minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic more. And chili powder, 1 tablespoon. If you like more spicy one, and put more chili powder. Okay. And here, when that is boiling, put this mushroom. You stick together. Okay. And now more higher heat. And then boiling some 2 or 3 minutes more. And then when the vegetables is all cooked well, and then you put this spring onion and this chili. These chilies in here. Now, and this one is salted shrimp. So we usually use this salted shrimp, some jjigae or some vegetable when cooked. So now I'll put something is very salt, but you first taste it and then put little bit. The taste is much better. If you don't have this shrimp, it's okay. Put some not soy sauce, the fish sauce. Fish sauce is also okay. Okay, now it's nearly ready to eat. Okay, that's it. This is 고추장 찌개. You know, the soup is more water, and 찌개 is a kind of stew. So the vegetable and meat is much more, and the soup is a little bit. So we cook a little bit longer time and eat with rice when there's no side dish enough at home. So we cook this one. And I think everybody likes it. And Korean people. Okay. That's it. Take care and see you next time. Bye.